Hi, I'm Jeni Lowery, one of the plant doctors here at Moana Nursery at South Virginia, and I'd like to talk about some of my favorite fertilizers and micronutrients. Pretty soon we're going to start harvesting our tomatoes and peppers, and you've heard you are what you eat, but you can absolutely taste it when you use the bembe. It's full of sweetness. It has cane sugar, beet sugar, molasses, and earthworm castings, bat guano, and seagull guano, which is really good for all of your plants right now. And you just can add it in once every other week before harvest. So right now is the best time to do it. Another fertilizer that I really like is the Grow Big. I know it has a tomato on the front, but I love it for my houseplants. This is my Birkin. She loves her Grow Big. It has a good amount of nitrogen in it, and it helps the leaves grow full and strong. With all of this heat, you're probably seeing some stressed trees and shrubs. This is Boomerang, which is the comeback formula. It helps the trees restore themselves. So I don't recommend using a very strong fertilizer when they're stressed. That prompts them to grow specifically in a way that they need to use their resources and their energy for healing and restoring themselves. And so all of the earthworm castings and the microbials in this just help the all-around health of the tree. If you're forcing them to grow too quickly when they're stressed, it's like asking a friend to run a marathon with a sprained ankle. And so these two products will help them heal and use that energy for what they need most when they're stressed. There are so many options for fertilizers. Just make sure that you're using it for whichever specific purpose you're looking for that plant or that tree. And come see us at Moana Nursery, and you can take 2 teaspoons and call me in the morning.